All right, let's talk about those snow totals, Trey, because, of course, we've been following that all week. Again, props to our meteorologist. You guys pretty much nailed it. So, yeah, curious to know the final numbers.
Well, Pittsburgh yesterday ended with 11.2 inches of snow. That broke a daily snowfall record for yesterday. Back in 2014, the old record, 5.2 inches. Look at where we are for the season as well. We are at 35.8 inches so far for the season. That is 14.7 inches above normal. So we are certainly doing well on snowfall for this year. And we've had some large totals across our entire coverage area. 20 inches in Clintonville, a 20.8 inch report north of Butler, 17 inches there in Grove City, the west side of Newcastle, coming in at 16 inches, 14.3 inches, the highest total I could find in northern Allegheny County near McCandless, a 14.6 inch report there in Westmoreland County, just east of Irwin, 16 inches in rural portions of Washington County. And then down to the south, slightly lower amounts, a 7.5 inch report in Brookville and 6 inches in Kingwood. But again, these areas yesterday had a little bit more of that sleet and freezing rain to cut down on those snow totals. We still have the chance to add on to a little bit more light snow this afternoon. 50 to 60% chance of light snow showers continuing. Temperatures maxing out in the next couple of hours around 18 and then slowly drifting back into the single digits this evening. Snow showers right now from areas in Lawrence County, just east of Newcastle, crossing I-79 just to the south of Moraine State Park there in northern Butler County. Light snow also from Beaver County back in the central portions of Allegheny and northwestern Washington. Again, radar's having a harder time picking up on this because the snowflakes are very small. They don't really show up very well, but you will run into that light snow this afternoon and evening. Extreme cold warning now in effect through 11 a.m. Tuesday. All of our counties are included in that, and we're going to see that cold air move in as we have a strong northwesterly flow. Temperatures today, again, in the upper teens with those snow showers and flurries continuing through around 7 to 8 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow morning, temperatures dip down into the lower single digits. Some areas may briefly drop below zero, but the winds are going to be gusty, allowing those wind chills to be even lower through the day. Will stay mostly cloudy, and then another one of these disturbances comes in from the north and west. Between 4 and 9 p.m., we have another band of snow showers that could reduce visibility and put down another quick amount of accumulation, and then those temperatures will drop back down into the single digits again on Wednesday before we recover with mostly cloudy skies and maybe a few afternoon flurries. So this is the total snowfall we're expecting through Wednesday evening. So over a span of 72 hours here, 1 to 2 inches from the Pittsburgh metro up toward I-80, locally higher amounts north of I-80, 2 to 4 inches with some of those bands coming off of Erie and Huron, and then in the upslope region of the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges, 2 to 4 inches there with lower amounts southwest of town. Here's a look at the wind chill forecast. Again, these are going to be hazardous tomorrow morning. Wind chills down around minus 20 due to a strong southwest wind. That can lead you with frostbite to occur within 30 minutes. So it's going to be very important that if you do have to be out tomorrow morning that you dress appropriately for that. And we don't really see much improvement as temperatures inch their way back into the mid-teens tomorrow afternoon before dropping once again Wednesday morning. While the winds will be lighter, we could still certainly have some wind chill issues with those wind chills around minus 10 to minus 15. 7-day forecast. Over the next couple of days, we do have first alerts for today and tomorrow. Today for residual snow showers and issues with traveling with that. Extreme cold tomorrow morning. Temperatures don't make much progress toward the middle part of the week. 13 for the high on Wednesday after a morning low of 3 below. 14 on Thursday. Friday morning is going to be another very cold morning. That's the day we have a strong high pressure coming in, and with the clearing skies and light winds, we could be down around minus 8 coming up Friday morning before temperatures slowly rebound by the weekend.